Welcome back to Forkcast, Episode 10, 17 Trending Open Source Projects on GitHub Today. Let's get into it. Every meeting you transcribe with a commercial AI tool sends your conversation to servers you don't control. Defense calls, healthcare discussions, legal strategy sessions, all uploaded, retained, and potentially exposed. IBM puts the average cost of a data breach at $4.4 million. What if you could get real-time AI transcription with speaker names and a full summary entirely offline? Meetily is a privacy-first meeting assistant built on Rust. It uses Parakeet and Whisper for live transcription that runs 4 times faster than standard Whisper. Speaker diarization separates every voice automatically. Allama handles summarization locally. Zero data ever leaves your machine. Mac OS and Windows supported, no cloud dependency, no vendor lock-in. 17,700 stars and climbing. If you handle sensitive conversations, this is the tool. Link in the description. Most developers now run 2 or 3 AI coding agents at the same time. Claude-Code for architecture, Codex for implementation, Gemini for code review. But every agent lives in its own terminal window, its own process, its own context. Switching between them breaks flow and loses thread. What if one terminal could run and manage every agent you use from a single multiplexed pane? herdr is a Rust-built agent multiplexer that lives in your terminal. Spawn multiple AI agents, switch between them without losing context, and stream each agent's output into its own named view. Native internationalization support, including Japanese and simplified Chinese, shows a global contributor base, 12,400 stars in its first wave of trending. If your daily workflow spans more than one agent, herdr is the missing coordination layer. Link below. Writing browser automation means maintaining brittle Playwright or Selenium scripts that break every time a UI updates. QA pipelines fail, scraping jobs die. End-to-end tests collapse on a Tuesday deploy because a button moved 3 pixels. What if you could control any web interface with natural language injected directly into the page? Page Agent is Alibaba's in-page GUI agent for the browser. It injects a JavaScript runtime and lets your LLM issue natural language commands that translate directly to real UI actions, clicks, form fills, navigation, data extraction. No external test runner. Works with any JavaScript-capable page. 24,200 stars, 1,085 commits, and 94 release tags reflect the scale of real-world usage behind this project. CRO workflows, data pipelines, end-to-end tests, all written in plain English. Link below. Unity developers spend enormous amounts of time on manual plumbing, wiring asset imports, building scene hierarchies, configuring prefab references. The LLM knows exactly what to do, but has no way to actually touch the editor. You are stuck copying code suggestions by hand and applying them one click at a time. What if your AI assistant could directly control the Unity editor while you just describe what you want? Unity-MCP is a C# and Python bridge that connects any MCP-compatible language model to the Unity editor itself. Manage assets, restructure scenes, edit scripts, and automate build tasks through natural language commands. 1,600 commits, 83 release tags, 58 contributors, and 12,000 stars. The MCP protocol is becoming the universal LLM to editor interface, and Unity is now on the list. Link below. Camera-based home monitoring is invasive, legally complex, and requires new hardware in every room you want to cover. But knowing when someone is home, where they are moving, and whether their breathing pattern is normal is genuinely useful information. What if you could get spatial intelligence and vital sign detection using nothing but the Wi-Fi signal already in your walls? RuView uses Wi-Fi channel state information to turn commodity routers into real-time spatial sensors. No cameras, no microphones, no additional hardware required. The Rust core processes CSI data to detect presence, locate movement within a room, and estimate vital signs including breathing rate and heart rate patterns. 76,800 stars, 537 branches, and an active research community building on the ADR architecture. Privacy-preserving awareness, link in the description. When multiple AI agents work on the same code base simultaneously, they overwrite each other's changes, generate conflicting edits, and leave the repository in states that are impossible to reconcile. Multi-agent orchestration is the promise. Workspace chaos is what actually ships. What if you could give every agent its own isolated workspace while keeping the entire project coherent and mergeable? Gastown is a Go-based multi-agent workspace manager that assigns isolated workspaces per agent, coordinates rights, and surfaces conflicts before they become permanent damage. 308 contributors across 7,655 commits. This is a seriously production-tested project, not a weekend experiment. 16,500 stars. When your pipeline depends on parallel agents working in the same repository, workspace isolation is not optional. Link below. OpenAI and Anthropic are building the two most capable coding agents on the market right now, but the tooling forces you to pick one. If your workflow lives in Claude Code, Codex is off the table. If you delegate to Codex, you leave everything Claude knows behind. What if you could access both models from the same terminal session without switching a single context? The Codex plugin for Claude Code is OpenAI's official bridge. Install it once and you can delegate code reviews, generate implementations with Codex, and compare outputs from both models, all inside a single Claude Code session. Official OpenAI project, JavaScript, Claude Code plugin format, 25,700 stars on its first wave of trending. The era of single-agent workflows is over. Grab it, link below. AI coding agents produce technically correct output that is aesthetically dead. Generic variable names, flat UI decisions, boilerplate prose that reads like it was written by a compliance committee in 2019. The code compiles. The design ships. Nobody wants to use any of it. What if your agent actually had good taste? TasteSkill is a Claude Code plugin that adds real aesthetic judgment to AI outputs. It teaches agents to prefer meaningful names, intentional design choices, and prose with an actual voice, without changing how you prompt. Install via NPX in under 30 seconds, compatible with VS Code Marketplace. 57,800 stars and a community that actively curates the taste rules across every update. Same model, better output, no extra prompting required. Try it, link below. Getting an AI coding agent genuinely useful for your actual job takes weeks of custom prompting. Engineering tasks need different context than marketing analysis. Product strategy needs different verbs than compliance review. Most skill packs solve for one function and ignore every other team. What if you had 337 battle-tested skills across every business function in a single install? This claude-skills library ships 30-plus agent configurations, 70-plus custom/commands, and skills for engineering, marketing, product, compliance, C-level advisory, and finance, all working across 10 or more coding agents simultaneously. Python, 1,213 commits, compatible with Claude Code, Codex, Gemini CLI, Cursor, and 8 more agents. 20,800 stars, the most comprehensive AI skills collection on GitHub right now. Link below. The Claude Code skills ecosystem is adding dozens of new repositories every week. But there is no maintained index, no quality filter, and no way to distinguish what is production ready from what got abandoned 3 commits after launch. What if the community maintained a daily refresh source of truth for the entire Claude Code ecosystem? Awesome-Claude-Code is a curated, hand-picked directory of skills, agents, plugins, status lines, and developer tooling built for Claude Code. GitHub Actions update the repository statistics every 24 hours automatically. The data is never stale. 48,600 stars and 1,188 commits reflect a community that actively trusts this as the canonical reference. If you are building with or on Claude Code, this is the first repo to bookmark. Link below. AI coding agents are brilliant at TypeScript and completely lost when you ask them to improve your conversion rate, sharpen ad copy, or audit your SEO structure. The technical reasoning is there, the marketing intuition is not, and most development teams now expect AI to handle both. What if you could give your agent the same skill set as a senior growth engineer? MarketingSkills is a Claude-Code skill pack covering conversion rate optimization, copywriting, SEO, analytics, and growth engineering. Every skill installs as a structured agent instruction that activates context-aware marketing reasoning on demand. 33 branches, 22 release tags, and 347 commits show active ongoing curation. 36,600 stars. If your product team runs on AI and your growth is still manually handled, this closes the gap. Link below. Claude code sessions burn tokens at scale. Every padded response, every redundant explanation, every verbose acknowledgement eats context window and runs up your API bill without adding a single bit of useful information. What if your agent could deliver identical technical accuracy in 65% fewer output tokens? Caveman is a Claude code skill that teaches your agent to respond in compressed, caveman-style output. Same answers, radically fewer words. Benchmarks show exactly 65% measured output, token reduction against a verbose baseline across all prompt types. Works with 30 or more agents including Claude Code, Codex, and Gemini. One command install on Mac OS, Linux, and Windows. 85,000 stars make it the most starred token optimization tool on GitHub today. For anyone watching their context window burn, this is the obvious install. Link below. Every AI product you use is shaped by a hidden system prompt you have never seen. The tone it defaults to, the things it will refuse, the persona it maintains, the constraints built in by its creators, all governed by instructions running in background on every single session. What if all of those prompts were public? This repository collects extracted system prompts from Claude Fable 5, Opus 4.8, Claude Code, ChatGPT 5.5, Thinking, GPT 5.5, Instant, Codex, Gemini 3.5, Flash, Grok, Cursor, Copilot, VS Code, and Perplexity. Updated regularly as new model versions ship. 50,300 stars and 8,200 forks make this one of the most forked repositories on today's trending list. For prompt engineers, AI researchers, and anyone curious about the scaffolding behind their tools, essential reading. Link below. Your retro game collection is a folder of file names with no metadata, no cover art, no search, and no way to play from your phone or tablet across the room. An archive you spent years building that takes 5 minutes to navigate and gives zero joy to use. What if your entire collection had a beautiful, self-hosted front end running on your own hardware? romm is a Python and Vue self-hosted ROM manager and player supporting over 200 gaming platforms. Docker deploy in minutes. IGDB provides metadata and cover art automatically on import. The in-browser emulator handles playback on any device without installing a single app. 10,450 commits across 193 release tags. 10,700 stars. Your collection deserves a real interface. Link below. Most applications ship with exploitable vulnerabilities that only surface after a breach. Traditional penetration testing costs tens of thousands of dollars, runs once a year if the security budget allows, and returns a PDF you have to manually triage and prioritize. What if AI could autonomously pen test your application on every single deployment? Strix is an open-source AI penetration testing tool that finds and fixes application vulnerabilities without human direction. It outputs Serif 2.1.0 reports compatible with GitHub code scanning and any CI pipeline that reads Serif, so security findings land directly in your pull request workflow. 37 contributors, 513 commits, and 37,500 stars. Continuous autonomous security testing is now an open source practice. Link in the description. Google Photos raised prices. Apple iCloud costs $13 a month before most family photo libraries actually fit. Both companies hold your memories on infrastructure you do not control, with privacy policies that get quietly revised more often than you read them. What if you could run the whole photo management stack yourself, with native mobile apps, machine learning search, and face recognition? Immich is a high-performance self-hosted photo and video management solution. iOS and Android apps sync automatically. ML-powered face recognition groups people across your entire library. A Google Photo-style timeline makes browsing natural. Deploy with one Docker Compose file. 10,416 commits from 2,171 contributors. 106,000 stars. The self-hosted Google Photos replacement is here. Link below. You are burning through Codex and Claude-Code usage credits in real time, with zero visibility into how fast. By the time the session quota runs dry, the work is gone and the context is dead. Most developers only discover the quota limit at exactly the worst possible moment. What if your usage stats were always one glance away in the menu bar, no login required? CodexBar is a native Swift macOS app that lives in your menu bar and shows live usage statistics for both OpenAI Codex and Claude-Code. Weekly quota remaining, active session count, current burn rate, all visible at a glance. It even caps the display when the weekly quota is fully exhausted so you always know where you stand. 3,290 commits, 102 release tags, 282 contributors, and 16,500 stars. Free download, link below. That's all for Forkcast Today, Episode 10. Every link is in the description. Subscribe and come back tomorrow for the next wave.